there's a lot to do and I just seem to have procrastinated.
This is bizarre!
Get them, get them, get them, get them! I don't know why, for some reason I have really been lacking in vlogging, and that's because I, one, haven't found time yet to edit my other videos, and two, because I've been very behind on work. I had my sister come down and visit for 2 entire days. I've just somehow managed to accumulate a lot of work, so I've been focusing on that, and I haven't really had much else to video, or I have, but it's just been in a situation where it's been a bit weird, or where I didn't bring out my camera or my phone. But yeah, I will try and still do some more vlogs. I don't know if they're ever going to go up on YouTube. Oh, it's really bright. Anyway, it's Halloween today. We had our second college bop yesterday, which was Saints and Sinners themed. Me and Charithra went as the white swan and the black swan from Swan Lake, and yeah, it was quite a late night, and then I had my 9 AM Latin class, so yeah, I'm just really tired, trying to get a lot of work done for my tutorial today. And then tomorrow I am being shadowed, so I'm not going to film that because I think, like, I'm not even allowed to bring them into my room, so I don't think I can film them because that's like child protection or whatever. So, but I can film afterwards and before of what I thought about it all. And yeah, this week is mainly just going to be focusing on doing work because last week I went out 4 times, and yeah, and I had my sister visit, and just, no, it was not good. So I'm just on my way now to pick up the person who's going to be shadowing me. So I've just come back from being shadowed and then volunteering at my college, giving all the people who came to shadow students a tour of college and having some free lunch. And now I've got about 3 hours to get some work done before I have, there's an advice talk thing going on in college for an hour at 5, and then I've got netball circuits, and then I might go to dance fitness because I haven't gone yet and I really do want to do it. So that's what today, well, that's what the rest of the day is looking like, since it's 2 PM already. And I have a couples meeting at some point as well, and a rehearsal, so I've got to get a lot of my work done, and yeah, there's a lot to do, and I just seem to have procrastinated and not wasted the day, because I really enjoyed the day and helping out and volunteering, but it has taken a big chunk away, so I need to get on it and do some work. Made my smoothie for the day. I've not actually had a smoothie in a very long time, well, it feels like a very long time, and I'm about to start some work. It is, okay, well, it's 3 in the morning, but it's Thursday or 4th week, and I can't believe that half of the term is almost over. It's actually crazy. But I'm up at 3 AM because I've been editing a video that I want to put on YouTube. It's the last video of my Australia vlogs, and I want to get it uploaded so that I can upload my video of my week before coming to uni, and then I can upload the week of Freshers Week and get the ball rolling with all the videos and vlogs and things that I've been doing, because I want to get it up in time so that there's time for a bunch of us to maybe sit down and do kind of interview tips, or like an interview video for people who are preparing for interviews at the moment, and just a general videos that can help you guys who are applying at the moment, rather than just wait for it to help, rather than wait to film videos which will help the next year cohort. So I do want to get them up and running, because that is what I started my YouTube channel partly for, to help to vlog at Oxford and to just demystify everything about what life is like and studying here. So I'm trying to get the ball rolling, and I also do need to get a video up very soon. So. Maybe can. Wait, I'm going my nose. Are you not going? Okay. So I've spent the past hour or so editing the last vlog for Australia, so that will go up online tonight, and then that means that I can do my week before uni next week, and then the week after that will be Freshers Week or whatever. So the vlogs will start coming, and I will start to vlog a bit more because I've kind of slacked on it just because I know I haven't had time to edit all the backlog of videos from being here at Oxford, but I will be on it from now on, and I'm quite happy that I'm getting my act together and finally getting around to doing some editing. Having a run through. Watching Mistresses. We're in a Barbie car with Sophie, Michaela and Jen.
Not just me.
Rob wants to do another shot and then we're going to go silent disco.
Yes, okay.
Right, silent disco, let's go, let's go, let's
Silent
go.
disco.
Let's go!
Where?
Some people pay for thrills, but I get mine for free. Nothing crazy about me.
This is bizarre.
CDs, going out to the party, and get a little bit serious. See of your problem, I know you can afford. I got that tattoo. You got the love I need to see me through. Sometimes it seems love really don't. Jealousy, turning sense into the sea, turning the sweet lullaby, choking on your alibi, but it's just a price I pay. Destiny is calling me. Open up my eager eyes, 'cause I'm Mr. Brightside. So we're at Hassan's and I've got my chips with chicken strips.
Protein,
What are you getting? Oh, Rob's getting something for me. I don't know. In America.
God, Jess on the back lot.
Party's lit, man.
This is so lit.
So lit.
Oh man.
What we do now? We're gonna do, what is it called? Dungeons. Come here, guys. Health and safety. Get them! So me and Nick have got our Hassan's and then we're heading back to college now. It's 12:30, so I'm going to do some work and then